How many social media platforms do we have these days? Let's see. We have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and more recently a new rising one called Be Real. Might as well throw that in too. There are also other platforms like Discord, Reddit, and Twitch. Although they do work a little differently, they act more like a forum. I don't really use them, so I don't know much about them and I can't comment. When there are so many platforms out there, it can become very difficult for content creators, especially when you want to decide which platform to start with. The crazy answer here is you start on all of them. That's how you increase your chances to reach people, right? But that's crazy because you are going to die from exhaustion before you even create your second content. So that's a no-no. And if I were you, I'd choose one platform to start on, master it, then try to scale out from there. But again, which platform is the best to start with? Well, the answer to your question might be a little subjective because you need to ask yourself who exactly is your target audience and where they are most of the time. However, if you're creating content on social media, then your target audience is most likely the audience who spends most of their time online, who understands how the online community works, and most importantly, they are willing to spend money online. It is like shopping in the mall for them, just another day. According to a research conducted by Morning Consult, Generation Z dominates the social interaction in the social media platform. They spend 4 hours or more a day on social media, which is almost double of most US adults. On top of that, the survey also found that they spend more time interacting online than in person. So what is the takeaway here? If you want to be successful on social media and make money, you need to find a way to target the Generation Z because social media is their world. They don't live in the real world. Social media is where they live. Another reason you want to target Generation Z is because they are the next booming market. Generation Z is born between 1995 and 2010. Give or take. So their age is between 13 to 28 as of this video. And at what age do you think we spend the most money? Usually in our 20s, right? That's when we have a full-time job and we have friends to hang out with and we have freedom and we can buy whatever we want using our hard-earned money. That's the usual case before they hit their 30s and their metabolism slows down. They are too tired to go out. They want to settle down, start saving money, and start spending less. So understanding how to target Gen Z now is quite crucial. We need to understand what they need, what they are looking for, and what is important to them at their age. I wish I was a Gen Z, but I'm not. Otherwise, I'll understand how they think better. But there are some things they will always need, and that's education. Because no matter what age we are, life experiences and guidance is always something we all need. When they figure out they need it, that's another question. So that's why we should always think about having Gen Z as our target audience. But the online world is a big world. So where do they often hang out? Interestingly, it isn't TikTok or Instagram. The social media platform Gen Z hangs out at is YouTube. According to a research done by Morning Consult, 88% of Gen Z spends their time on YouTube, followed by 76% on Instagram and 68% on TikTok. Now, I know this research was done in November 2022, so it is a little dated, but TikTok and Instagram have matured significantly during that time, so to see YouTube at the top is quite a thing. What this tells me is, while it is easy to say TikTok is demolishing YouTube when it comes to videos, that's actually just the surface of it, because there are reasons why YouTube is still the preferred platform. The main reason I believe is because YouTube has established itself as the place to learn, to find solutions, and to get help. Ask yourself, if you ever want to learn about how to fix a broken pipe in your house or how to get rid of spiders effectively, you would either Google it or you search on YouTube, am I right? Do you see yourself searching for answers on TikTok or Instagram? No, you don't. TikTok and Instagram is the go-to place for other things like entertainment, cheap hacks, smart hacks, life hacks, things that make you go, oh, I didn't know that. Whereas on YouTube, it is a little more than just quick hacks. YouTube has become your TV, where you would turn on after having a nice dinner and you just want to sit down, relax, and look for programs or channels you enjoy. So the difference here is, on YouTube, you want to know what is on. You want to know what's new from a particular channel. You are seeking something. But on TikTok and Instagram, it works the other way around. You're just scrolling along and then you get hit by new short hacks that you never even asked for. And when you see it, it might interest you, it might not, or you simply do not care. Now, of course, one of the things most people compare to on all these platforms are video content, because that's the common thing they share. And whilst it is easy to say TikTok is dominating vertical video format, they are definitely crushing YouTube Shorts and Instagram, I wouldn't say they're the place for video content. The way I see it, vertical videos are meant to be short. We are just not taught to watch full episodes of a TV show vertically. I know there are some who tried, but it is just too difficult. Perhaps one day someone will figure it out, but for now, no one has done it successfully. So what this means is vertical videos, which are meant to deliver short and straight to the point facts or hacks, are here to stay, and that's TikTok's specialty. Horizontal videos, on the other hand, like this video over here, can do multiple things, from podcasts to shows to heavy production videos, and the destination for that is YouTube. But here's the most interesting point, and make sure you understand this. It is easy to replicate TikTok's business model, which is vertical videos. Instagram and YouTube Shorts did that easily. They might not be dominating, but they were able to replicate. However, it is very difficult for TikTok and Instagram to copy what YouTube has. Why? Well, because YouTube ultimately is a search engine and has already established itself over the decades as the place for video content, not to mention the vast video library YouTube has built. Instagram in the past has tried to do what YouTube did. I'm not sure if you heard of IGTV, claimed to be the next YouTube killer. What happened to that? Probably faded into oblivion. I was doing IGTV back then, before I started YouTube, and let me tell you, it's garbage. Not because it doesn't work, but the audience on Instagram just isn't the same. Users on Instagram are mostly there to scroll through their feed real fast, double tap to show their love even when they did not see the photo or read the caption, then they continue scrolling. I don't know what that's for, but that's how I see people use it around me. And so that is the part where YouTube wins. It has built its reputation in such a way that people are there to look for something, just like streaming services like Netflix, and that is very difficult to beat. Having said that, the good news here is, if you are a content creator, you don't need to worry about all this social media platform wars going on, because either way, you are going to win if you know what you are doing. The main takeaway here is video is here to stay. What does that mean? It means start creating videos now if you're not doing it. No matter which platform wins, whether it is vertical or horizontal videos, as long as you own the rights to your video, you can basically repurpose your videos on any platform of your choice as long as the format is accepted. You're not going to lose. Here, I'll give you an example. This is Blippi, a very popular kids channel. My kids watch them all the time. Here, you can see he has 3 different channels, right? There's one called Blippi and Mika Best Friends Adventures. There's Blippi Educational Videos for Kids, and there's Blippi Toys. Now, what I can tell you is the videos that are in his Blippi Educational Videos channel are also in his Blippi Toys video. He pretty much repurposed it on different YouTube channels and gained twice the amount of views. But wait, here's another thing. His videos are also repurposed on Netflix. Not all of them, that's for sure, but some of them I have seen on his YouTube channel. Of course, he did not just re-upload the exact videos. Some, if not most of his videos, are actually a compilation of his other videos. For example, he might combine all toy-related videos into one video, then upload it as a brand new episode. So that's how powerful videos can be. You own the rights and you are in full control of it. You can repurpose it however you want, and you can even hire an assistant to repurpose it for you if you do not have the time. Videos are just amazing. The strategy here is the same and done by most YouTube channels. They create a good video and upload to YouTube. Then a few days later, they also upload to their Facebook page if they have one. Then to squeeze out a little more from that video, they create short clips from it and upload them as YouTube Shorts, as Instagram Reels, and to TikTok. Anyways, that's all from me. Like, subscribe, do the usual, and thanks for the chat.